Unity of command is the fourth principle in Fayol's administrative management theory. This is a simple principle which just says that every employee should have just one boss at any point in time. The principle of unity of command states that each participant in a formal organization should receive orders from and be responsible to only one superior. If an employee gets orders from two superiors at the same time, then the principle of unity of command is violated. Multiple bosses leads to undermining of authority and also leads to a lack of clarity for the employee. For example, if one manager tells the salesperson that he should meet a customer in Delhi tomorrow morning, and another manager tells the same salesperson that he should be in Mumbai tomorrow morning, then whose instruction should the person follow? Therefore, every employee should have just one boss. If there are two bosses for whatever reason, then there should be clarity on whose instruction should be followed if there is any contradiction.